Good morning, fam. What's up, guys? It's like 9 a.m. Monday morning, and today we're gonna figure out, basically wondering if you can vlog on the Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter art lens. Basically, just from the start of just, you can vlog on it. Like, obviously you get a good frame here. You know, have all my head in this, and you get some background. Sorry, I'm kind of looking at the screen while I'm doing this. But I will say, with the Gorilla Pod, the boom mic at the top, the lens, and my crop sensor body, it's pretty heavy. I don't know if it looks ridiculous either, walking around. I feel like it looks normal because everyone has big cameras for the most part. But I will say that this would basically be for like quick shots, very, very small scenes of holding it like this, because my arm feels like I'm working out right now. It's pretty heavy. But the image sharpness is really good, I will say that. And the one thing I won't be able to tell until I put this back into my computer and start editing it and stuff is if you can hear the autofocus through the boom mic, which I feel like it's right above it, so you're probably able to hear it. But that's what we're doing today, guys. So, and also I'm comparing it to my phone, so let's compare it right now. All right, guys, so this is my phone camera, and I can't see what I'm doing right now, which is the downfall of using your phone. Once they make the front facing camera as good as the back facing camera, it's gonna be game over, I'm pretty sure, as far as vlogging goes. But as you can see, in the house, if I had a little not a tripod, a little, what do you call those? I don't know what it's called. If you had a little handle basically holding your phone, and it had a little microphone, which we have one in our cart right now. One of our friends showed us this little handheld tripod thing. It comes with a little boom mic on it. For only $50, and I feel like if you were to just had that right now, I'd be perfect. Because no matter where I put this, really, obviously you're gonna try to hold it as center to your face as you can. It has a lot of frame because how wide and nice the cameras are. But if I was to switch it to the front where you can see yourself, then you could already see how much worse the quality is. Yes, you could see yourself, and that's good, but the quality goes way down. There's a lot more glare, as you can see. When I move, it just looks not as good as well as this one does. This one looks a lot better. But I think from the difference between this and the Sigma lens, the only difference is that my body screen will come out so that I can see it. So right now, as far as vlogging goes, I feel I could do this for a lot longer. Maybe not all day, but for a lot longer than I could my other camera. For comparison, this is what I'm dealing with for comparison. This big old thing. Now right now it doesn't feel so bad. I just picked it up, feels great. But after only 2 minutes of this, my arm felt like I was holding up weights. Okay, so this is what it looks like while doing both. So this camera, which is my iPhone camera, I'm doing the opposite way, the front facing camera. And outside with plenty of light, it looks great actually. It's not that bad at all. This one is super blown out. This one is super blown out, so I would need an ND filter, or I could drop down the f-stop, which would make it that, but it also lowers the depth of field, which if you're trying to vlog anyways, you want more things in focus. So really the reason why I got this lens, because obviously you could tell from vlogging it's not the best. It looks really good though, way better than this one, is really for B-roll shots for this, with this camera, and then vlog with this one. But I'll probably end up using this, using it this way, but I'll have a little handheld tripod or whatever. All right, so basically this lens you can vlog with on a crop sensor camera, which is really, really nice because it actually, is a little bit wider than my 50 mil. My 24 mil was still a little bit too cropped in, kind of like this, and it was way more shaky. So I really like, this lens over those two. So I'm actually gonna sell my 24 millimeter, it's a pancake lens, and my 50 mil, because this is basically everything I needed for my crop sensor camera. It's a great beginner lens. It shoots really good photos. That's another reason why I got it, so I don't have to be a million miles away when I'm shooting photos of somebody. But basically, if you're trying to vlog these days, a lens like this isn't quite necessary. It's nice for some B-roll shots and really sharp pictures and stuff. So if you want it for that, that's really nice. But basically, if you have an iPhone, especially the newer ones, you can just vlog with that, and it looks super clear, comes out nice, edits it for you. So basically, you're gonna want to stick with that if you're doing a vlog. But what I really got this camera for are for shots like these. So I do a lot of talking head videos, or just videos like this where I'm basically talking to the camera directly and it's in a locked off position, basically like on a tripod or something, and then I use external audio. So you're not gonna hear, I mean, I have it in autofocus now, but I could even lock the focus in so I wouldn't hear it if I was using like a mic on top. But camera's still a good like 6 feet away from me right now. It's COVID safe, so like the boom mic wouldn't pick me up that well anyways, so that's why I use external audio. So that's actually the main reason why I got this, and for shooting pictures as well. I was shooting with the 50mm, and that's a really good sharp lens. It did like a lot of really good photos, but like if the camera was where it's at right now, it'd only be like showing my head. I actually had to put it like almost like 12 feet, like it was almost to the TV, and it would get a shot almost like this just being where it is so much wider. So I heard that it was the best lens for a crop sensor camera. That's why I bought it, and I'm in love with it. So I definitely recommend it if you do, a lot of like talking head videos like this and you don't have much room to like put your camera 100 miles away with the 50mm. And the stock lens that it comes with is decent, but it doesn't like allow for a lot of light. This goes all the way down to 1.8. I have it at 2 right now, so that's the picture we're getting right now, and I really like that. So yeah, it's just a great lens. Definitely recommend it if you're doing videos like this, and if you want to do more photography, take it a little bit more seriously. It's still like in the starter range, but the price is still a little bit higher up, but not too high up. I think it was like 700, and the body was like 600, so it's a little bit more than the body. So, but definitely recommend it. All right, guys. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit from it. I hope it helped you, either make your decision on getting this lens or maybe continuing to vlog on your camera. On your iPhone. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content and you want to learn to like edit a little better or shoot a little bit better, then consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you. And until next time, peace out.